Protect the tyre with a strong tape and remove any rust or old paint layers. The type of sandpaper depends on the depth of the damage. Clean and degrease the surface to be treated with silicone remover. Mix the metal putty and apply it to the deeper damage. Let it dry and sand the surface. After this, clean and degrease it again. Apply the primer in several thin layers, and after it is dried, lightly sand the surface. Use the silicone remover to degrease. Apply the lacquer in several thin layers and let it dry well. Next, apply 2 overlapping layers of clear lacquer. Use spot blender if needed and let it dry thoroughly.